Today we're going to learn how to do a simple guidance line on a 4240 John Deere display. So first thing we're going to do is go to guidance. We're going to go to set track. We're going to go, since we have no tracks, we're going to go new track, here or here. New track, we're going to go A+ heading. First we're going to do a north-south line, so we're going to call it north, south. Okay, we have no field set up, so we'll just leave that blank for now. Go OK, and you'll see here that because we went A+ heading, our heading to go north is 0, north or south is 0, so we're just gonna go right ahead and click set A, and that's our line there. Just click done, and our line is set up. Now we have 3 pieces of pie there, and we should be good to go. So now that I have my north-south line set up and I'm in a 9870 combine, I'm going to go ahead and engage. I've got it in low throttle. I'm going to engage my separator. I'm going to engage my header. And I'm going to go ahead and try to engage by pressing the number 2 button. And you can see now that my AutoTrac is engaged. And I should be on my line.